What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Animations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we're taking a look at CHCKX's PETG in purple. Now usually I would have some unboxing videos, but unfortunately that file got lost. The footage got lost in transfer, so let's go and plow on through. As you know, here at Legal Animations we always start by printing a benchy in the generic settings for the particular type of filament that we're working with in Bamboo Studios, just to get a baseline. So we went ahead and did that over here, and we're going to go ahead and get sliced up. Should take a little over an hour, which isn't too unusual. So we're going to get that printed as well as all the other test prints, so that way we can take a look at this very fine filament. And I will show you the results here in a jiff. Alright, here they are. So as you can see here, this is the purple. Again, I apologize for the lack of unboxing videos, but that got lost, like I said, in a transfer, unfortunately. So, I'm a huge fan of purple, as you can see by my shirt. But this is the benchy that was printed in generic settings. Everything looks pretty good. Maybe a couple of little overhang issues that we'll try and rectify as time goes on with the rest of the test prints. But yeah, overall I'd say it looks pretty good. Alright, next up we printed the dimensional cube. This is 40 by 40 by 40 in vase mode. Everything looks hunky-dory there, and no real issues there. Next up we have the temperature tower, and for this one I'd probably recommend around 245. I found that one had the least amount of stringing and globbing and anything like that, so that worked out pretty well for this filament. Next up we had the retraction test, and this one no stringing, nothing like that, so we did pretty good with that in that regard. Next up we had the max volumetric speed test, and this one performed pretty good. This one 28 millimeters cubed per second. Everything looks good, no real issues in skipping or anything like that. Overhang test worked pretty good as well. Pretty much anything over 75, I would suggest having supports for. Next up we have the benchy all dialed in, and this looks beautiful. No real issues with anything, honestly. Turned out very well and clean. So yeah. Anyway, at this point I would usually have stuff from Amazon as to the price. This one was less than like $17 when I bought it. Unfortunately, in the time frame from when I bought it to now and filming and editing, it was taken off of Amazon for whatever reason. But overall, if you can find this filament, I'd say it's pretty good. Anyway, this has been CHCKX's PETG in purple. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is Higgins with Legal Automation. See you soon.